I'm gonna do something because it's bugging me. It's annoying. Hey everyone, this is just a quick video of how to work the Merk-Shop series and how that you can utilize them to get the most out of them. So what they are philosophies and ideas of things that I've come across or experienced within my life. Some of them will be my curriculum or classes that I teach involving improv or comedy or film acting on camera, philosophy, self-improvement, health improvement for all you healthy people out there. How that's going to work is I'm going to put suggested videos up top. So when I do that, you can click there just so you can follow along and you can make your own curriculum. That's it's build your own kind of course load. So that's what I'm trying to achieve. Also at the end credits, they'll have two choices of two different videos. I'm going to try and connect more of the Merk-Shop to the Merk-Shop series and more of the in-character stuff to the in-character stuff. I also want to know what you want to learn. If there's something that you want to be watching or want me to cover on the Merk-Shop series, please let me know. I'd love to have more of a community conversation. That's how you can support this channel right now, is just liking and commenting down below. Okay? Thanks so much. All right, go check out the video. One of these. Pick one. A or B. Maybe they'll be random. Maybe it'll be random today. It'll be so random. It'll just be a secret video just on this video. That's what I'm going to do. Just secret random videos right here. So, okay. that you can't watch unless you have the link. Oh, Easter eggs. You like hunting? You like Easter egg? Yeah? Okay.